On the 8th of June 2015, Nigeria woke up to shocking news that 6 traders, Ifeanyi Ozo, Chinedu Meniru, Isaac Ekene, Paulinus Obonna, Anthony Nwokike, and Miss Augustina Arebum, had been killed by policemen on Gimbia Street, Abuja, on their way from a night party. Following outcry by human rights groups and families of the deceased, the federal government set up a board of inquiry headed by a former Inspector General of Police, Mr. Michael Kiro. The report of the board led to the filing of a 9-count charge of criminal conspiracy and culpable homicide against Deputy Commissioner of Police Danjuma Ibrahim, Ezekiel Acheneje, Emmanuel Baba, Othman Abdul Salam, Sadiq Salami, and Nicholas Zachariah, who is still at large. Out of the 6 policemen, Justice Ishaq Bello convicted and sentenced to death only 2 of them. The judge held that their confessional statements proved beyond reasonable doubt that they were guilty as charged for the killing of 2 of the 6 traders, Miss Augustina Arebum and Anthony Nwokike. The judge said that the action of the convicted policemen were condemnable because there was no evidence that the 2 traders committed any crime at the time they were killed. However, 3 other policemen, including Deputy Commissioner of Police Danjuma Ibrahim, Othman Abdul Salami, and Sadiq Salami, who were charged with conspiracy and culpable homicide, were discharged and acquitted by the court for want of evidence. But as to the other 4 traders who were killed in a vehicle, the judge held that the issue remains ambiguous and vague because the prosecution was unable to establish those responsible for their murder, following the contradicting testimonies by 2 prosecution witnesses. Justice Bello said that in the face of the contradiction, it was practically impossible to hold anybody responsible for the death of the remaining 4 traders. When asked if justice had been served, the prosecutor responded.
The relevance of this case is to demonstrate to Nigerians that this issue of extrajudicial killing is a very serious one. For anybody, be you a policeman on duty, to handle their rifle carelessly and kill an innocent and defenseless Nigerian citizen is not going to be tolerated.
Following the judgment in this controversial case, 12 years after the killing of the 6 traders, many are still debating 2 questions that still need to be answered. Who killed the remaining 4 traders? And will the federal government appeal the judgment as only 2 of the 6 defendants were convicted? Amaka Okafor, Channels Television News.